A very good morning, dear children. Today's English work we are going to do in our notebooks. So take out your notebook and your stationery like pencil, eraser, ruler and blue marker pencil. I hope you all have taken out this. Now, firstly you have to write down date here in the corner box. Fine. And after writing the date, you will write down the heading of today's topic.
And today's heading is two letter sounds of vowel U. U says A. So two letter sounds of vowel A.
So start writing here. Capital V, small o, W, E, L, wall. Then U. U says A. U sounds A. Sound SOUND, sound. Two. Letter, words. Fine. Now after writing the heading, you will underline it with the blue marker pencil. See children, I have drawn an underline here. Now start today's work. Number 1. U says A plus B says B. A, B, ab, comma. U says A, B says B, A, B, ab sound. Next, again we will repeat the same sound. A, B, ab, full stop. Children, here I have written ab sound 3 times in this row. Okay, come to the second sound. U says A. D says D. A, D, ad. U says A, D says D. A, D, ad. Again repeat it here. A, D, ad. Okay, comma. A, D, ad. Fine. Now full stop. Come to the next sound. U says A, G says G is equal to Ag, Ag. Ag, Ag. Ag, Ag. See, come to the next row. U says A plus P says P. Up, up, comma. Up, up, comma. Up, up. Okay, come to the fifth sound. At, at. U says A, T says T. At, at is equal to at, at. At, at. See, at, at. Number 6. Now our next sound is U says A, M says M. Am. Okay, comma. Am, comma. Am. Full stop. Okay. Now children, come to the next sound, 7 sound. U says a, N says na. A, na, an, comma, a, na, an. A, na, an. Okay? Now children, I have completed today's work. After completing the work, what will we do? We'll draw a finishing line here with the blue marker pencil. See children, I have drawn a finishing line here. In the same way, you will do this work
in your notebooks. Thank you. Bye bye.